Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farhan Asabi Chandra, and today I would like to present my arguments against the motion lockdown shall be applied national to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in Indonesia. As the opposition team, we reject this motion because implementing a nationwide lockdown is not an effective solution. On the contrary, it could lead to serious negative consequences economically, socially, and even in terms of public health. First, we must acknowledge that Indonesia is a vast and diverse country, but geographical and socio-economical national lockdown will severely burden low-income communities, especially those who rely on daily wage for survival. Street vendors, motorcycles, taxi drivers, laborers, and informal workers. If these people are restricted from working due to a strict lockdown, the result won't just be economic hardship, but a potential food crisis and a dramatic rise in poverty. Second, a national lockdown fails to consider the varying levels of COVID-19 transmission across regions. Not all areas in Indonesia have high case numbers. Therefore, implementing a blanket policy across the country is both inefficient and unfair. A smarter approach would be localized lockdowns or micro-scale restriction, also we know PPKM Micro, which focus on high-risk zones while allowing the lower-risk areas to function normally. This is a more targeted and effective strategy. In addition, prolonged lockdown can have a severe impact on mental health. When people are forced to stay home without clear timelines, unable to work or socialize, physiological distress, increased report of anxiety, depression, and even domestic violence tend to source in lockdown situation. These social and emotional costs are often overlooked when we only focus on infection number. We must also consider global experience. Many countries that implement nationwide lockdowns witnessed a resurgence of cases once restrictions were lifted. This shows that lockdowns are not a sustainable or long-term solution unless accompanied by strengthened healthcare systems, aggressive testing and tracking, and mass vaccination. In many cases, lockdown only delay the problem, they do not eliminate it. Finally, national lockdowns also disrupt access to other essential health services. People with chronic illness, pregnant women, or children needing vaccination may find it harder to receive care. This could increase mortality and morbidity from non-COVID causes, undermining the broader public health system. Therefore, we firmly believe that a national lockdown is not the right solution for Indonesia. Instead, the government should focus on community-based strategies, health education, location restriction, and healthcare system strengthening. We reject the motion because we believe protecting life must go hand in hand with protecting life health, mental well-being, and regional autonomy. Thank you.